The financial world is changing fast, and Bitcoin is at the center of it all. Right now, we're living in the moments that will go down in history. But the question is, will you take advantage of it or let it pass you by? Let's cut through the noise and talk about how Bitcoins can change your life and why now is the time to stack Satoshis. The market is buzzing. Bitcoin is fluctuating around $100,000 per coin, and everyone is talking about it at the gym, in the barbershop, and even at the grocery store. The excitement is real. But let me tell you, Bitcoin isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth smartly and sustainably. When you hear the noise, when you see the hype, take a step back and remember, Bitcoin isn't just another investment. It's the foundations of a new financial system. And to take advantage of it, you need a clear plan and the patience to see it through. If you're new at Bitcoin, let's set the expectation right now. Volatility is part of the game. Bitcoins will hit $150,000 per coin one day and drop to $99,000 the next day. That's completely normal. What's matter isn't the short-term ups or downs. It's the long-term trajectory. Every week, guys, I'm stacking Satoshis because I know where Bitcoin is headed. And if you focused on the big picture, those fluctuations won't scare you. They will excite you instead because you know what you're building for the future. Let's talk about why Bitcoin is the most important financial assets of our time. It's the hardest, scarcest forms of money humanity has ever seen. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. It's decentralized, meaning no governments or bank can control it. It's permissionless. Anyone, anywhere in the world can own it. Governments, institutions, and individuals are waking up to this reality. Nations are accumulating Bitcoin. Institutions are adding it to their reserves. And for us as a retail investor, this is the greatest opportunities of our lifetime. Guys, I bought my first Bitcoin at $65,000 per Bitcoin back in 2021, and I'll be honest with you, it was not even a whole Bitcoin. At the time, I thought I was late, but here's what I realized. It's not about when you buy, it's about consistently stacking Satoshi and staying in the game. I kept stacking, guys. I kept stacking Satoshi week by week, staying consistent. And now I'm incredibly pleased with the size of my stack. The best way is to ensure you never miss your DCA, dollars cost averaging, is to set up the reoccurring buy option on your app. Nearly every exchange offers this feature, so take advantage of it. It keeps your strategies on autopilot and makes stacking effortless. Now, let's talk about Donald Trump. That everyone seems to be very excited of him taking over the White House again. The Trump administrations will impact on Bitcoins for sure. We're seeing plans to bring in pro-crypto policy, appoint crypto-friendly leaders, and even lay the groundwork for national Bitcoin reserves. If this plan moves forward, it could create massive opportunities for individuals like you and I. The administration aims to end the uncertainties that has kept many investors on the sideline. With clear rules, more people, especially institutions, will feel confident diving into Bitcoin. Analysts predict that Bitcoins could surge to unprecedented levels as confidence grows. Retail investors like us stands to benefits massive if we stay consistent in stacking now. Guys, we are at the forefront of something historic. The rules of the games are being rewritten, and Bitcoin is at the center of it all. And here's something else to think about. Banks are beginning to embrace Bitcoin. They're developing ways to securely custody Bitcoin, giving people an option to store their holdings without managing private keys. But it gets even better. Banks are also exploring systems that lets you use Bitcoin as collateral. Imagine unlocking liquidity from your Bitcoins without having to sell it. While this is still in its early stages, the future looks bright. Regulations are evolving to ensure that these services are secure, protecting your Bitcoin and giving you more ways to benefit from holding it. In time, this could become a powerful tool for generating passive income and building wealth while still keeping your Satoshi safe. Global adoption is accelerating. Look at what's happening around the world. El Salvador is leading the charge, making Bitcoins the foundations of the economy. Governments like Malaysia are studying Bitcoins to avoid being left behind. Institutions like BlackRock are becoming some of the largest holders of Bitcoin. This is a global movement, and the supply of Bitcoin is limited. As demand continues to grow, those who stack Bitcoin or Satoshis today are positioning themselves for a future where Bitcoin becomes the backbone of the global financial system. Let me remind you, Bitcoin isn't just an asset, it's a mindset. It teaches patience, discipline, and the powers of long-term thinking. Every time you stack Satoshi, you're investing in your future and participating in something bigger than yourself. Guys, ignore the noise. Ignore the hype. Stay focused on the fundamental and keep building your position week by week or month by month. If you want to secure your financial future, here's what you need to do. Educate yourself about Bitcoin and its role in reshaping the financial system. Stay disciplined in your approach to stacking Satoshi. Don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. The financial system wasn't built to benefit people like us, but Bitcoin changes that. It gives us the chance to take control of our wealth and build a legacy for future generations. This is the greatest opportunity of our lifetime. Bitcoin is more than just an investment. It's freedoms. It's independent. It's a way to take control of your future in a world that's changing fast. Guys, I'm very passionate about this because I've seen what's possible. If you stay focused, disciplined, and consistent, you can completely transform your life. The next few years are crucial. Don't waste this moment. Your future is in your hands. Stay calm, stay focused, and keep stacking Satoshi every week or every month. The opportunities of a lifetime is here. Don't let it pass you by. And don't forget to hold tight and stack it right. Take care, guys. I will see you in the next video.